Hey, how are you? Are you stressed out about the world? I am too a bit. And with everything going on, particularly events this past week, I really wanted to offer you time to reflect and hear this. None of the fear and anger and anxiety you may be feeling is going to change things. None of the fearful or anxious or angry or finger pointing posts on the internet are going to change things. The statement, be the change you wish to see in the world, is literal and means you, means me, means each of us individually. Right? So if the change you want in the world is more calm, more peace, more listening and understanding, then begin at home with more inward calm, more inward peace, more inward listening, and more inward understanding. All right, because society isn't out there and other people, it is who we are as individuals. We're all a thread in a big fabric called society and called the human race, really, at this point, right? And we're all threads interconnected to each other. You tug on one, you tug on all of them. So my heartfelt encouragement for you this weekend, it's Friday around 5 o'clock Eastern time, is literally schedule into your phone, if not right now would be great if you can, but schedule into your phone even 15 minutes to sit down, right? Quiet, comfortable place. Let people around you know you're doing that if that's necessary to prevent interruption, or invite them into it. And literally just take time to be quiet and listen inward and hold the intent of just being calm and peaceful. And if you can't feel calm and peaceful, just hold the intention, right? That's the beginning. And I'd also encourage you to log out of social media when doing that. Don't have your phone with you. Even turn it off, right? Turning it off, leave it in another room, right? Symbolically, like, no, I'm not giving my attention outward right now. I'm giving my attention inward. All right, because again, our own inner quality is what creates society, not the other way around. And from that perspective, right, it's ultimately our duty from a place of love for society as a whole to take care of this inner reality, right? So that who we are helps shape the outer reality to actually be peaceful and calm, patient, listening, understanding, disagreeing healthily. That's a novel concept. Go to braverangels.org and sign up for their Disagreeing Better workshop. It's free. Donation requested. They're a nonprofit. So there's the invitation. I sincerely hope you take me up on it. Don't scroll by. Log out of Facebook. Delete the app from your phone too, right? Anything that keeps pulling you outward from who you are and what really matters to you, and particularly anything that keeps you amped up, right? Put an end to it. Just stop it. Let it go. And welcome yourself home. Wish you a beautiful weekend. Take care.